Hello?
Hello.
Rajni? Hi.
Hello. Can you hear?
Yeah. What do you have? What can I see?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
This is Gayatri from today. You just have to give us some time. There is some technical issue going on. We'll be just joining in. Just give us a few minutes, please.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. How can you buy online? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
How can I buy online? By Paytm or by COD or what?
Ma'am, they will display their names and numbers. So you can note it down. We will share you the link. So you can note it down and then you can buy it that time.
But पेमेंट मोड क्या है आपका?
मैम वो जो बोलते हैं ना आप उनसे बात कर सकते हैं हम आपको टाइम देंगे उनसे बात करने के लिए तो यू कैन स्पीक टू देम एंड देन
Okay.
टेक देयर एडवाइस
Okay. So when are you going to start?
And just give us few minutes. There is some technical issue going on. We are just trying to sort it out. అక్కడ నుంచి
मुझे यही बोलना है।
कुछ नहीं।
म्यूट कर दिया मैंने। ओके चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, can you hear me?
Yes, hi, good evening.
Good evening, how are you all? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Can you hear me? Good evening all.
Hello, I can hear you. Can everyone hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
you're audible.
hello.
Yeah.
Gayatri,
Yes ma'am.
please tell everybody to keep their video on.
Video on, and then they have mute themselves for the time being till the session starts.
Yeah, but the video has to be on. Everybody's video has to be on. Sushma ji is participating or she is a buyer?
I'm a buyer. Not
Okay,
buyer.
and Jyoti Pardeshi, are you exhibitor?
Yes.
Are you exhibitor? Jyoti?
Yeah.
If you are exhibitor, please video on kariye.
My video on the admin. Yeah, ma'am. Hi.
And
My
whoever
video
is
is not able to on because it's been blocked by the admin.
Oh, but you are an exhibitor. Gayatri,
Yes ma'am.
please check that whoever's are exhibitors, they should put their videos on.
Yes ma'am.
Everybody
I
has
could
to
see
put
all of the.
it on.
Yeah.
अभी तो इतने 12 लोग हैं या 13 लोग हैं, बट वीडियो तो हार्डली 4 के होने, 5 के होने, बस गायत्री का है, जिन्नल पटेल का है, नीता टंडन का, बाकी लोगों के है ही नहीं.
Can I request you all to on these videos please?
Gayatri, my video is in. Gayatri,
Okay.
can you please unlock
मेरा
my
वीडियो
video?
एडमिन ने बंद किया हुआ है.
Ma'am, Rajni ma'am,
Yes,
can you
same
please
here.
allow everyone to on their video? Miss Anuradha Kapoor, can you
My
please
video is on.
Nupur, my video has been blocked by the admin. Please unlock it.
Okay. Rajni ma'am, can you please give a permission to everyone?
I'm not an admin, dear. Manash. Sorry,
Manash.
something happened to my throat. Manash.
Manash? I'll just call him up, ma'am. I'll just call him up.
You know, मेरा वीडियो उन्होंने मेरा वीडियो ऑन किया है, मेरा नहीं, एग्जीबिटर का वीडियो ऑन करें प्लीज. जो एग्जीबिटर
video
है
is still on
प्रॉब्लम
lock.
नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Gayatri, please unlock my video.
Just a second, ma'am. I'm requested my IT person to do it. I just messaged him. Just give us a few minutes more, please.
Nupur, you should be put your video on. Nupur, please admins, whoever are on behalf of Federation, they should put their videos on so that people can see them and talk to them. Nupur, put your video on.
अपना फेस का प्लेसिंग भी ठीक करिए गायत्री जी. वी कांट सी योर फुल फेस.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, better, but little bit नीचे करो और.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think this
Now-
is better now.
Now it's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Nupur, put your video on. Nupur, बेटा अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए आप, ताकि लोग आपको देख सकें. Gayatri asked Nupur to do it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
People should recognize you, Nupur. आप उनसे फोन पे बात करते हैं, तो people should recognize you कि Nupur से हम बात करते हैं, ये Nupur है.
She's calling you. She's calling you online. एक बार respond कर लेना उनके मैसेज को.
कौन नुपुर कर रही है?
नुपुर वीडियो ऑन कर देना. अपना वीडियो ऑन करो. नहीं वीडियो ऑन करो.
शुरू करो प्लीज, बहुत देर हो गया. प्लीज स्टार्ट.
Good evening, friends. We welcome you all on behalf of Federation of Indian Women Entrepreneurs. For the first time, we are doing a virtual online exhibition. I hope everyone are keeping safe during this pandemic situation. Yeah, a small introduction about our organization. Yeah, FIWE is a national level NGO established in 1999, registered under the Indian Act of 1860. It is one of the Indian premier institutions for entrepreneurship development and empowerment of women and youth at large. We have been in this industry for the last 25 years, wherein we have reached across the Indian network of 35,000 individual members, and also we have 22 state level associations affiliated to FIWE. We have been working with national and international reputed sector skill councils, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, one of the biggest bank, that is NABARD Bank, UNIFEM, and ADB Bank, ILO. And these are some of our organizations where we have been closely working and associated, and one of the policy formulation for the growth of MSME. And also this is one segment where we are as an NGO doing it. And also we are deeply associated with NSDC, which is a National Skill Development Corporation. Under their flagship, we are doing a skill assessment body, wherein so far we have done more than 3.25 lakh number of candidates with 1350 highly qualified assessors across since 2008 under the flagship of Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Yojana. And that covers, like, we have RASCI, HSSC, Ministry of Textiles, Development Corporations. So these are some of the organizations where we do a lot of assessment, skill assessment. Because as you all know that, Modi ka ek hi product hai, concept hai ki skill develop karo sabhi logon ka, right? Now, we were also doing analysis for the CSR spends. Under the CSR flagship, we have done a couple of activities across the country involved in the impact assessment studies with various government and private organizations also. And our other business are like, we do a lot of business counseling for the new entrepreneurs. There are so many women entrepreneurs who would like to develop their own business. So in that, because our president, Dr. Rajni Agrawal, she herself is an Presidenti Award for the best entrepreneur. She is a very good counselor and helps a lot of women across the country to do their own business. And we are in the skill assessment, like I said earlier, online assessment, impact assessments. We do a lot of content development and certification. And we are a micro-credit linkage program. So this is a small brief about our organization. I know there are a few people who are new to association for this organization. So we would like to give a brief introduction about the organization. Before wasting into this time, so we would like to start with our virtual first time online exhibition. As you all know that, everyone is having a great pandemic situation going. So no one is able to do any kind of a business physically. So what we thought is we have more than 35,000 people associated. We started doing an online virtual exhibition, and this is our first exhibition which we are doing. And thank you so much for all of you to giving your time and encouraging us to do and make it a successful event. Now, to begin with, I won't waste much of the time now. The first exhibitor today we have is Miss Deepika Sethia. Her organization name is the Design Essentia. So she is basically from New Delhi. So the second exhibitor we have is Jyoti Pardasani. She is from the Soul Craft. She herself is an Astro Vastu consultant, Reiki master, and then tarot card reader. And we have another exhibitor called Miss Neeta Tandon from the Aparna Devotions. We have another exhibitor, Swati Mahajan. She herself is from the Noracle group. We have Aparna Tandon from Diet Plus. We have Miss Priya from Biomedical Healthcare. And we have Shilpa Sonar. Again, Sunshil Foundation is an NGO. They are into more of, reusable sanitary pads. So before further wasting any more time, I would like to request Miss Deepika to present her product and take the session further ahead. Deepika, can you please come line? Deepika?
Hello everyone, I'm Nishant Sethia and she is Deepika Sethia, the founder and managing director of the Design Essentia. So first of all, before beginning, I would like to say and I would like to convey our thanks to Pragati, and we would like to show our gratitude to Ms. Rajni Agarwal, Gayatri ji, and Nupur ji to have worked so hard to come together, to get all of us together under this virtual event and this exhibition, and let's hope to make this event a success.
Thank you. Thank you, Nishant. Thank you.
So first of all, I would like my mom to say a few words about her journey so far in Design Essentia.
Hello friends, it's almost been 6 years since I have been working with my brand, the Design Essentia, and it was all started with my passion for creativity and to do something in my free hours. After that, when it became a profession, even I did not realize. But it's been a great journey so far, and I would like to make it more successful in the near future. For the Design Essentia, basically, we work hard to create concepts and designs, keeping in mind various occasions, festivals, and events, which we would love to celebrate with our friends and relatives, and also customizing it in a manner and which becomes very appealable. So right from the trousseau to the wedding packaging, baby showers, baby announcements, corporate gifting, hampers, festivals, we cater to all these.
So in order for you guys to understand better, we have come up with 2 short clips of 2 to 3 minutes each, and you guys can get a better idea of what we do through that. So let me share my screen first. So there's this notification which has popped up: host has disabled participant screen sharing. Can you help me out?
Just a second, Nishant. I'll try to sort out your problem. Just a second.
In the meantime, till
Yes, now I can do it.
You can share your screen. You can share your screen now. Yeah.
Yes. Is my screen visible to everyone? It says the Design Essentia.
Can see this. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Nishant, please speak something when you're sharing the screen because people are not able to read it.
Okay, so there's some audio with it.
No, it's the audio is not working. Your audio is not working.
Okay, fine.
Okay, 1 minute.
So speak out
Nishant,
something
please
when
start.
you're sharing a
Yes,
screen.
yes. So we'll play it from the beginning.
Yeah.
So we are the Design Essentia with its authentic and original designs. Okay, this is a little too fast. Like,
So basically, we would like to customize for people with their taste and requirements.
So it's completely personalized, and we do wedding showers. We design gifts which you can gift to people when they come to your weddings, and it is very family oriented, and it is totally customized. So you can do it for everyone, and you can specialize it for your loved ones. If you want to give something to one person and the other to someone else in your family, we can do that for you, and we'll come up with a few pictures shortly.
Now, this is a Banarasi collection, the Royal Banarasi collection. These are our home decor pieces, which are amalgamation of glass and metal. The wedding and the trousseau baskets and gift boxes. Again, these are our gift hampers customized for occasions.
Very beautiful.
Thank you so much. Like this is basically more of wedding collection that I'm showing you right now. And these are the gift bags, the coins, and the envelope giveaways. Now these are the baby shower announcement and hampers. This is a silver anniversary celebration for a client of mine, which I had just done. These are the marble trays and the jars. Now these are again some home decor pieces which can be used for gifting, and later on one would love to adorn their house with these beautiful pieces. So when we are designing our products, we prefer that it becomes usable for the client rather than just seeing it and using it and throwing. We would prefer them to use them for a very long time, so that even the client feels that he has got the value of money for whatever he spent on the stuff. Now this is a trousseau collection. Now this is our glass collection of tissues and trays. Again, a trousseau collection.
Very nice. Do you have a price catalog also for this, Deepika?
Yeah, we do have a price catalog for this. And you can contact us on 98712 40464.
Can you put down on your screen so that people can note it down?
Yeah. So hopefully the audio will work in that. There was audio associated with the previous video too, and because of some technical glitch, it could not work. So can you see this video?
Yes.
We can see.
Okay. Can you hear the audio?
No.
Not really.
100.
Audio is not there.
The audio is supposed to work. I don't know how to make the audio work. I'll just play it in a bit.
In the meanwhile, till he puts his audio into working, the other participant can talk about it, He can come back again.
Yeah, sure. That would be a better idea.
Okay, Gayatri?
Shall I call the second participant now? We have
Yeah.
Miss Jyoti Padasani. She is from the Soul Craft. She is a Vastu consultant and a Reiki master and a tarot reader also. So Jyoti, please, we welcome you on the presentation, please.
Hi, namaskar. मेरा नाम ज्योति परदेशी है and I am a Astro Vastu consultant. I'm a tarot reader, Reiki master, DNA reader, Deepak Tantram expert and Switch Mantra expert. So first of all, I just wanted to thanks from bottom of my heart to the Rajni ji and the CJ to organizing this beautiful platform to interact with you all. Thank you very much. So here Astro Vastu is like I don't have any presentation as of now. Am I visible on the screen?
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
I am okay. So I just talk about one by one because I don't have the presentation as of now. These services doesn't need the presentation as such. So Astro Vastu is like आपने वास्तु सुना होगा, but Astro इसके साथ क्लब करने से जब हम एक ड्राइंग पर, एक किसी घर की ड्राइंग पर या किसी की कमर्शियल स्पेस की ड्राइंग पर काम करते हैं और हम 16 दिशाओं पे काम करते हैं, ये 16 दिशाएं जब हम एस्ट्रोलॉजिकली क्लब कर देते हैं, उसकी कुंडली के साथ क्लब कर देते हैं, तो ये 360 डिग्री रिजल्ट देता है, राइट? और इसके जो सॉल्यूशंस, जो रेमेडीज होती हैं वो बहुत बहुत एक्सट्रीमली पावरफुल होती हैं. So I'm doing it. I'm a Reiki master. I'm practicing since 18 years. So I was earlier not taking it as a professional front, but yes, during lockdown, I come across some of the good chances to help people thoroughly into the Astro Vastu and Deepak Tantram, DNA reading. So I thought to took it professionally. तो पहले पर्सनल जितना भी हो सकता था वो मैं सबको सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड कर रही थी. Now come to the Deepak Tantram. Deepak Tantram is very ancient technology. We used to have very earlier initial year of the start. So somebody is also, on. Can you please?
Yes, I request you all. Can you please mute yourself when Jyoti is speaking? Alka ji, thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. So Deepak Tantram is बहुत ancient science है और जो कि बहुत सारे लोगों तक अभी पहुंची नहीं है, इसका ज्ञान बहुत कम लोगों को है. मैं अपने आप को भाग्यशाली समझती हूँ कि ये मुझे मिल पाया मेरे गुरु से. और दीपक सब वाकिफ हैं इस शब्द से. एक दीपक जलाने का हमारे सभी घरों में रिवाज है, लेकिन जब हम उसको एक स्पेशल दिन किसी स्पेशल के साथ, एक दिए को हम चावल के आटे से, हल्दी के आटे से और घी का दिया, तेल का दिया और बहुत सारे अलग तरीके कॉम्बिनेशन जब हम एक साथ जोड़ते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द डायरेक्शन, अगेन हर चीज डायरेक्शनल बेस्ड है. ये 16 दिशाएं हमारे जन्म से लेके मृत्यु तक हमारे साथ रहती हैं. इनका संबंध हम चाहे इस पर बिलीव करें या ना करें, ये हमको प्रभावित करती ही करती हैं, वो इम्पैक्ट डालती ही डालती हैं. तो किस एक पर्टिकुलर दिशा में किस मटेरियल का दिया, किस तेल का, घी का दिया, किस बत्ती का दिया, कपड़े का दिया, रुई का दिया, वो सब कुछ ये डिसाइड करते हैं कि आप किस तरह की मनोकामना प्राप्ति के लिए एफर्ट कर रहे हैं. तो ये दीपक तंत्रम बहुत अमेजिंग चीज है. मैं अपना अगर किसी को मेरे से गाइडेंस चाहिए हो तो प्लीज मुझे कांटेक्ट करें 9811165188 9 I repeat my number is 9811165188। अभी मैं टेरो आपके साथ लेके शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। Whosoever having any query, any question in your mind, please come up. I'll try my best to solve it out and give you the remedy. अगर किसी के पास अभी इस वक्त कोई क्वेश्चन, कोई सवाल दिमाग में, जहन में है तो वो प्लीज टेरो के जरिए इसका आंसर मुझसे ले सकते हैं। तो ये एग्जीबिशन
what is a Jyoti, what is a Deepam something you said, please?
दीपक तंत्रम।
Deepak Tantram, what is that about?
मैम दीपक तंत्रम इज वेरी एंशियंट टेक्नोलॉजी एक्चुअली, और ये सभी लोगों को अभी इसका बहुत ज्यादा ज्ञान नहीं है बिकॉज ये बहुत लोगों तक अवेलेबल नहीं है। आई एम बीइंग वेरी फॉर्चुनेट enough to get this knowledge from a person who's expert of it and who gave this gyan to me. Deepak Tantram is like is kind of, you know, with the intention, जब हम सारी चीजों को जोड़ लेते हैं, like दीपक हल्दी का, चावल के आटे का, बेसन का विष्णु जी से कनेक्टेड है। जब भी कोई कार्य सिद्धि करनी होती है तो हम बेसन का दिया जलाते हैं, उसमें हम पीला धागा रखते हैं, उसको एक नॉर्थ की दिशा में हम रखते हैं। फिर हम चावल का आटा माँ लक्ष्मी जी को सिंबलाइज करता है। अगर धन आगमन का कुछ इशू चल रहा है घर में तो उस तरीके का हम दिया जलाते हैं। उसमें हम दूध, कच्चा दूध, गंगा जल, केसर मिक्स करके उसकी बत्ती बनाते हैं। ये सारी चीजें, सारे मटेरियल एक तरीके की वाइब्रेशंस को क्रिएट करते हैं जब वो एक साथ लिट ऑफ होते हैं।
Okay.
So this is all about Deepak Tantram. I would like to discuss about the DNA reading. Tarot reading, everyone knows about it, but there are very less amount of people available who does DNA reading. So DNA reading is like we actually carry lots of, you know, karma baggages from so many birth. बहुत सारे जन्मों से वो हम कर्मा ढो रहे होते हैं। इस लाइफ में भी whenever we stick to one particular statement कि this thing doesn't belong to me, I am not having this kind of nature, ये मेरा एटीट्यूड नहीं है, जो हम ये स्टेटमेंट अपने साथ चिपका लेते हैं ना, तो ये स्टेटमेंट्स हमारी सबकॉन्शियस में फिक्स हो जाती है और ये हमारे साथ चलती है, जन्मों जन्मांतर तक चलती है। Science is also proven there before the conceiving a baby in the womb, there is a 8 cell gets developed before the conceiving. तो वो जो 8 cell blueprint होता है ना एक बेबी का, so that is the time when all the, you know, data is now coming down to the womb. वो पुराना उस सोल का जितना भी डेटा होता है वो सारा डाउनलोड सेल में, ब्लूप्रिंट में। तो डीएनए रीडिंग एकमात्र एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है जिसमें हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम के रूट कॉज को पकड़ते हैं।
नहीं तो क्या इज देयर एनी काइंड ऑफ अ मशीन और सम काइंड ऑफ ईसीजी और यू डू और व्हाट डू यू डू ऑन दैट?
वी डू ऑरा स्कैनिंग मैम।
अच्छा, ऑरा स्कैनिंग।
ऑरा स्कैनिंग।
एंड यू मेक अ यूज ऑफ मशीन?
Yes, we use machines also.
Okay.
So through the machine, you can check each and everything about your 7 chakras, about your organs. अगर आपको किसी भी तरीके की कोई organ based कुछ issue है, like kidney में कुछ problem है, stone है, तो उसको भी स्कैन किया जा सकता है। लीवर को स्कैन किया जा सकता है, हार्ट को स्कैन किया जा सकता है, आपकी अपने पूरे होल बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी और नेगेटिविटी को स्कैन किया जा सकता है।
Where are you based, ज्योति जी?
I'm in वैशाली, गाजियाबाद।
ओह, बहुत दूर हैं आप तो। You have any office anywhere close by?
No, Rajni ji, this can be happen over the Zoom also.
Acha, over the Zoom also. Okay.
Yeah, if you want somebody else, other person to scan. You just share the images. The scanning can be happened.
Acha, not in person.
Not in person.
Oh, I see. Not necessary.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
I'm
Thank
offering the tarot reading as of now. If somebody has a query, question in mind, troubling you right now, please come up.
Can I say, Jyoti?
Yeah, sure, Gayatri ji.
Yeah, how can you stop thinking negative? How we can stop thinking negative?
Through meditation.
Meditation.
Without that, I'm telling you, this is the only purest tool to keep yourself positive, pure. But I'll take out some reading for you, Gayatri ji, since you come up. So the journal prediction for you, right? For the Gayatri. Yeah. So Gayatri ji, you have very clear vision in you, like you have very clear vision. क्या चाहिए लाइफ में आपको पता है, किस तरीके से पाना है वो भी पता है, राइट? बट चीजों को ना आपके आसपास ही सारे हल होते हैं. Solutions are lying surrounding you.
Yes.
But you don't look in such a way to pick out the solution for you. Right?
Right.
गाइडेंस आपकी ये है कि आप किसी भी चीज में फोकस होते हैं तो उसमें पूरा अपना 200% आपको देना है. 100 नहीं, 200% आपको देना है. Then you will get the result. Right? This is your card says. And the kind of card it is saying that solution is very nearby to you. Lock खुला है.
Okay.
राइट, बट आप गेट के पास खड़े हो कि इसको मैं कैसे खोलूं और कैसे बाहर जाऊं, बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी द लॉक इज अनलॉक. यू जस्ट हैव टू ओपन द डोर एंड गो अवे.
You're very right in this. I always get into trouble mode rather than looking for a solution mode.
Yes. So you always have to be on the solution mode. Solutions are nearby you only, in your own surrounding.
Right. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Anybody else?
Anyone else have any query with Jyoti? Can we proceed to the next session?
No problem. I'm just leaving my number here for anybody who's looking for a personal one-to-one session with me can contact me. Right? Thank you very much, Rajni ji and Phoebe, for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Thanks again.
Thank you. The next session we have with Miss Neeta Tandon. They are from the Arpana Devotions. Neeta ji, can you please come online?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, you have to share your screen.
Sorry, you can't see me?
Yeah, we can see you. Yeah.
First of all, I'll thank Phoebe for giving us the opportunity to showcase our products and tell about our organization. So this is Arpana is a spiritually based organization. You can see the picture of my head. He is the guidelight of all the activities we are doing. So Arpana is dealing in the fields of education, health, and women empowerment. So this particular program that I am here for is the Women Empowerment Program, where we train village ladies for embroidery, stitching, knitting. So we get all this done from the village ladies of Haryana. So we are doing all kinds of home linen, like towels, bed covers, all hand embroidered. I can show you a few of my products, like this is hand towel and face towel set. These are face towel sets. Then we are doing bed covers, bed sheets, knitted stuff, baby linen, baby sheets. And we have... Sorry?
नीता मैम, आप अपने प्रोडक्ट भी थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठा के दिखाइए. because we are unable to see the product properly.
So like this, we are doing these kinds of hand towel sets.
Right.
It's a knitted shawl. This again is a hand towel, all hand embroidered. This is all done by hand. And just to improve the economic development condition of the ladies, this is a baby shawl, baby wrap that we are doing. And we are doing baby sweaters also, like these. Then we have our outlet in Defense Colony. This is E22 Defense Colony. And whoever wants to buy online can ring me up on 98712-84847. You can see the number at the back also. Then these kind of bed sets, full bed sheet sets. These kind of baby hooded towels. And the range of products. Two hand towels and 2 bath towels for your bathroom. We are doing knitted stuff, knitted cardigans for ladies, knitted shawls I showed you. This is the shawl. Very nicely packed like this for a gift. It's a face towel set. And very reasonably priced. This is just for $575, set of 6 towels. If anybody wants to see some particular product, I can show more designs.
Haji, I just want to ask one question. Can I ask? May I ask?
Yeah, please.
Is hello, I'm Sushma Satish. This Arpana Trust is the same. This is near Karnal at Madhuban.
Yeah, this is the same.
Same. I have been there and they have very beautiful goods and I have purchased also. Is it the same that I wanted to ask?
Yeah, it's the same organization. Products come from there only. This is a same outlet in Delhi, in Defense Colony.
Okay. But they have their own, that's a big trust there and office is there.
Yeah. There's a big mandir also there, big hospital there, 135 bedded hospital.
Yes. My husband being a medical person, I have visited that hospital also. That's why I was asking.
Yeah. This is the same organization.
Okay.
So you visit
I visited. I whenever I go to Chandigarh, I stop there and buy the products from that place. Generally. Okay.
So you can get them in Delhi only. We have a big variety here. All products come here only first.
Yes.
So you are most welcome. Convenient for you, and you can ring me up also. I can courier also the products.
Oh yes. Okay.
Because of the lockdown, we have started this.
Yes, I have noted down the number, this mobile number.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, can you show us the cardigan what you mentioned? I would like to see.
Give me a minute. I'll just show you. Darshan, idhar aa jana. So that like this.
Very nice.
And
This is a knitted
also we do like this.
Okay.
More colors, more designs.
That Karnal office didn't have this cardigans.
Yeah, this way, like you went to Madhuban, and then
Yes.
this section is in Karnal. We have 2 sections of the work.
Yes, I visited both.
So
Karnal Model Town and Madhuban.
Yeah. 7 Model Town. So there only we do the knitting.
Okay.
So I have more colors. If you want to see, I can show.
No, ma'am, how can you place an order for this? Do you have an online? You just have to call you and.
Call, on this number 98712-84847. So I'll tell you the price and all. You can just Paytm me and I can courier the stuff.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Any other products you want to display, ma'am, other than this?
I think I have shown you all of them now. These kind of baby sheets also we do.
Yes, the base cloth is very good. I have seen.
Hanji. Acha, you must have used, na?
Yeah, I have used for my grandchildren. The base cloth is very good.
These kind of flannel sheets we do for babies.
Yes.
Very nice quality flannel. These we make sometimes gift potlies of face towels. This time on Diwali we made these kind of, this has 24 face towels. See, the new design came for face towels this time.
Neeta ji, I would like to see your product separately.
What do you want to see?
Maybe children's, what did you say? Some home furnishing na for children?
These are the baby sheets I showed you, these ones.
Anything for winter? These are for winter or for summer?
So this is the cotton sheet and this is the flannel sheet.
Flannel sheet is better for winters.
You want to see colors in this?
Yeah, what colors you have? It's for boy.
This is blue.
Blue will do, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And what is the price on this, please?
This is 650.
650, and what's the size?
It's 3 feet by 4 feet.
That's pretty good size.
Yeah.
Achha, theek hai.
Kind of baby sweaters we do, newborns. Small cardigan with cap and booties.
And this is for how old baby?
This is 0 to 6.
0 to 6. और 1 तक चाहिए, अगर 6 से 1 चाहिए या 1 से 1.5 चाहिए.
That also I have. That's only cardigan without the cap and booties then.
So without the cap. And do you have 2+ also for 2+?
Not many actually. In winters we get a few, but not very big range of sweaters in the bigger sizes. But newborns we have many colors and designs, and the baby.
Please have the number share kar lijiye. I will get in touch with you.
It's 987.
Yeah, put your number on the chat, please.
Your good name also, please.
I'm Rajni Agrawal.
No, I know, ma'am. Her name.
I am Neeta. Neeta.
Neeta, I know I've spoken to you several times, but आपका number नहीं है मेरे पास.
अच्छा, मैं चैट पे लिख देती हूँ.
आप तो हर मीटिंग में आती है ना उसमें.
हाँ जी.
या तो पर आपका नंबर नहीं है मेरे पास.
Okay, I'll just write.
Okay, then I'll get in touch with you to buy these 2-3 items.
Thank you so much, Ji.
Yeah, for my grandchildren.
Okay.
Thank you, dear. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, Ji. Bye bye.
Hand towels are also very good, Rajni ma'am. Her hand towels are also good.
Acha, hand towels, okay.
Okay, you can buy them.
I can see that.
Neeta ma'am, do you have hand towels in different colors or only white you have?
No, we have colors also.
We have colors.
I want to see.
Ma'am, can you just show, can you open one piece and show it to us? I would like to buy hand towels.
Yeah, I'll show you. This style we do.
Oh, nice. What's the price for this, ma'am?
This one is 675 for a set of 2 towels.
675 set of 2 towels. Okay.
Yeah.
I would like to buy this. I will call you separately, ma'am.
Okay, give me a call.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do that.
Okay, thank you. Okay then, bye-bye. Thanks for attending.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Who's next?
Ma'am, next we have, it's going very interesting. I hope people are enjoying the session. Further ahead, we have Miss Swati Mahajan has joined in. Hi, Swati.
Hi, Gayatri. How are you doing?
Very good. How about you?
I am doing great. Yes, please tell me.
So done with your meetings?
Yeah. Yes. So thank you for asking. Yes, I am. Yes. I told you this is the only slot I had today to come for the meeting.
Anytime, no worries. Yeah, now it's time for you. You can talk about your product and your services.
Okay. So before we begin with my thing, I would first like to show you something. I would first like to show everyone like what are the projects I'm currently working on. So Gayatri, could you please give me the permission for screen sharing so that I can do my screen sharing?
You can do that. It is already there. You can do
Okay.
that.
I would first like to play the video wherein I'll, all my products are there in brief. Is it visible to you? Is it visible to everyone?
There is no audio for this.
Yes, there's some problem with the audio, but I think.
Yeah, it's very well visible. Very well visible. Very
Yes.
well written. One can read it.
Yes, thank you. So these are the couple of projects. I'm, all my projects are there in this, and then I'll be explaining about these projects. The first being Land of Billion Entrepreneurs.
You know, if you can speak out along with your screen sharing, it will make us more clear.
All right. So, ma'am, I would, let's go one by one. My first project is, please give me a second. As you all can see, my first project is about Land of Billion Plus Entrepreneurs. Like we know, India is becoming a growing hub of startups and entrepreneurs. So this is basically a platform to the entrepreneurs, for the entrepreneurs, and by the entrepreneurs. So in this, we all face one problem. When we reach market, we face one problem. That is, we do not have any marketing platform who can market us for free, like who can do some justice to us for free. So we are creating this platform wherein we will be sharing success stories of those entrepreneurs who've achieved great heights, who might or might not be there on social media. क्योंकि आप लोग सब समझते हैं बहुत सारे लोग सोशल मीडिया तक पहुंच पाते हैं, पर अब हमारे में से बहुत सारे ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जिनकी बहुत अच्छी काबिलियत होती है, अच्छे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स होते हैं, पर उनकी सोशल मीडिया पे जो पकड़ होती है वो इतनी मजबूत नहीं होती है. So this particular platform is going to provide impetus to them, and it is going to be in form of two form. First is we are coming with a series of books जिसमें क्या होगा, जो भी ऐसी सक्सेस स्टोरीज है, बिगनिंग फ्रॉम एंटरप्रेन्योर्स टू विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स टू, जैसे एक इसमें कंसेप्ट है आत्मनिर्भर निर्भर महिला, आत्मनिर्भर कलाकार. तो ये जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है वो इस चीज पे एम्फसिस देता है कि कैसे हम अगर हम सारे आत्मनिर्भर बन जाते हैं तो आत्मनिर्भर भारत इज बेसिकली इक्वल टू आत्मनिर्भर भारतीय. So this is to the entrepreneurs. And why is it by the entrepreneurs? Because we'll be needing a contribution from your side also. We will be needing contribution from each of your side. जैसे भी आप कर सकते हैं, आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी सक्सेस स्टोरीज में फिगर करे sorry, तो आप हमें कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज वन प्लेटफॉर्म वेर इन वी वांट टू शो इंडिया कि कोई ऐसी चीज है जिसके लिए पूरा भारतवर्ष, सारा भारत यूनाइट हो सकता है. सो वी आर गोइंग फॉर क्राउड फंडिंग फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट. सो ईच वन ऑफ अस, इफ वी कांट कंट्रीब्यूट मच, एटलीस्ट वी कैन कंट्रीब्यूट ₹1. तो हम चाहेंगे जितने भी लोग हैं सारे लोग, और कुछ नहीं तो अगर ₹1 भी कंट्रीब्यूट, ओवर एंड अबव ₹1 is also appreciated. But even if you can't contribute much, if you can contribute ₹1 also, that will also make a great deal of participation. And moreover, whatever success stories we are going to share in this is going to set the platform for the next generation. उनको पता चलेगा कि कैसे ये जो एंटरप्रेन्योर की सीढ़ी है, ये जो सीढ़ी है एक women entrepreneur बनने की या एक सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर की, like how to start that. This particular platform or this series of books is going to set the tone for it. So this is about my first project, which is Land of Billion Plus Entrepreneurs. Now I'll play the video for my next project. That's that's about how UPSC students can prepare on their own. Just give me a minute. I'll prepare. I'll play the video for that. I'm sorry. As you can see, all the sectors are mentioned here, like wherein people can participate. Atmanirbhar Mahila, Kalakar, Vyapar, Gaon. Now coming to the next project, which is self-study program for UPSC aspirants. If any of you might know, many of you might know that UPSC is one such field wherein students have to incur a lot of expenditure. Like students actually incur the cost of starting from 80,000 to 1 lakh to prepare for this exam UPSC. पर हर माँ बाप ये चाहते हैं कि मेरा बेटा IAS बन जाए, मेरी बेटी IPS बन जाए. पर प्रॉब्लम ये होती है, दो प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. एक तो कोई मेंटोर नहीं होता, कोचिंग प्रोवाइड करने के लिए तो दुनिया आ गई है, पर कोई सही मायने में मेंटोर नहीं मिलता है जो डे 1 से लेके जब तक आप IAS IPS नहीं बन जाते तब तक आपका हाथ पकड़ के चलता रहे. Even if you spend lakhs on these coaching institutes, they will just complete the coaching and get it done. But here we are coming with a program which is for the first time in India, that is self-study program for UPSC aspirants. In this particular thing, what they have to do is, they just have to enroll with us, and we will help them from strategy making to doubt clearance to every possible step. We'll do the entire hand holding exercise till they actually qualify for the exam. And this is, trust me, this sounds very simple, but no coaching institute in India has entered into this, for the reason being this is a very tough exercise, and nobody takes that risk of assuring the student, nahi tu hamare saath, you walk with me and I'll help you clear for the exams. I've discussed two very important projects with you, but in midst I would also like to emphasize that we need lots of participation from everyone's side. We are looking out for partners, influencers. There are a lot of people getting associated with us, but we want more and more people to come and become our business partners and influencers for us. And definitely we are offering great commissions on that, so that it becomes a good revenue model for everyone. So coming to my third project, which is Noracle Triple I, because of which I am actually associated with many of the members of FIVE also. So I would just like to show you that as well. I think there's some problem from my side. The video is beginning from the beginning every time I play.
Swati, you're doing great job, I must say.
Thank you so much. There's actually some problem. It's playing from the first project every time I play. I'm sorry for that inconvenience. Now, this is the self-study program that we just discussed about how we'll be helping the students to sail through this difficult process and, without wasting much time of them and without wasting, more importantly, money of anyone. It includes everything that this particular exam demands for, from academic to extra academic doubts, the entire. Now this is the third project, Noracle III. Is it visible to everyone, Noracle III?
Yes.
So so basically, in Noracle III, while I would take this time to share my journey in a few seconds. While I was growing as an entrepreneur, I personally realized, like what I discussed in my first project also, that marketing, be it online or offline, is the most difficult part. And we have to incur a lot of expenditure on these three things. And then obviously, there's no single platform wherein you can, or a single body to whom you can assign the responsibility. And even if there are few, they charge a hell lot of money. I'm sure everyone would be able to relate with this particular thing. So we thought of creating a platform. Now this again is a subset of the first program, which is Land of Billion Plus Entrepreneurs, wherein yes, we are providing digital. Noracle III is basically a platform which is open for all. And in fact, the target for this particular platform is to connect 130 crore Indians, like it's said by Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, on a single platform. We want to get everyone on a single platform where the people don't have to search about where to market ourselves. Why is marketing, chargeable in a country? Let it not be chargeable. Anyone can approach us and let it be. And we are promising you, we'll keep this platform free forever. If you're marketing your product, we will market it for free. We are creating a platform which is initially going to be using all the platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and all these modes. But then later on, it will have its own app. And if anybody wants to use it as a database, there'll be no stopping to that also. On this platform, if anyone is interested to contribute, you can contribute in any way. You have a product which you want to market, you can send us the videos related to that. You have a story you want to market, you can send us that. Or you have a talent that you want to market, you can send us that. Because we want to, showcase to the entire world that India is actually a powerhouse of so much talent, so much entrepreneurs, that it can't be, there's no country like India. So this particular platform, its tagline says, I in India and India in I. What does that mean? It means हम भारत में कहाँ खड़े होते हैं, भारत और हम सब में भारत छिपा हुआ है. So this is the main motive behind Noracle III. And lest I forget, while showing the other projects, I would like to share my HR numbers and my email ID in case anyone is interested to contact us. The number is 9070066665. I'll repeat again, 9070066665. And for queries, you can directly mail me. It's spm.pm.sm@gmail.com. I'll repeat again, spm.pm.sm@gmail.com. This is my email ID, is my personal email ID. If anyone wants to get directly in touch with me, feel free to do that. And next one is, first I'll tell you the analogy behind this particular project that I'm working on. It's called Bridging the Generation Gap. See, I'm a mother of two, and my kids are very young. My kids are at the age of 3 years and 1.5 years. So, in all this process, while what I faced that, working moms or working dads have a very tough journey, because whether your kids are of 1 year or your kids are of 15 years or 20 years, we have to balance our work with the kids, and a personal life depends, a professional life depends a hell lot on our personal lives. You know, आज घर पे बच्चों के साथ mood खराब हो गया, so I'm sure it's not going to go good at professional life also. Agar, you know, whatever we face in our personal life, it definitely impacts our professional life as well. Same goes with the kids. हम बच्चों को nurture करते हैं, but जो बच्चा जो आज बन रहा है, it is entirely what is in our brain. So basically, what I discovered being a mother is parenting and personality development are two very closely linked concepts. So if you can actually work on the parents, you can definitely, without much effort, work on the personality of the kids as well. Obviously, kids are more associated with their grandparents, so working on the grandparents gives better results than working on the kids themselves. So we are starting this program, which is called Bridging the Generation Gap. It's like a 3 months program. Anyone can join. You know, if only parents want to join, if kids want to join, if grandparents want to join, if you want career counseling on how to face interview, how to get breakthroughs in an entrepreneur, how to, you know, help your kid in personality development. So basically, it'll be involving a lot of exercises where we'll be involving the kids or the children as well, and the parents as well. So that, you know, first is we can create a good bond between them and work on the brains of both kids as well as parents. So I'll just like to take you through the journey of this.
So I think we are just running little late. Can we wrap it?
I'll just explain the next project, which is actually going to be my last project, which is about my publication, which has been my base. I think many of you might know that, because that's the project because of which I actually got the award. My group is called Noracle Group, and my first project was Noracle Publication, because of which I got Priyadarshini Award, and I'm really thankful to Phoebe for that, because that was actually the boost for my journey, my first award, and that gave a big boost to me as an entrepreneur and a big motivation as well. So that was my first project, and we are doing many things which none of the people in the sector of publication are doing. We are creating a direct connect between the author and the students, and we are the only publication house all across India to do that, because author is directly clearing the doubts of the students, and that's a big boon for the students who are preparing for various competitive exams. So this is all about me, and I would like to thank Rajni ji, Gayatri and Nupur for pushing me to come here, because if they wouldn't have pushed me to come here, I don't know how I would have found time. And thank you everyone for listening to this long speech of mine. Thank you so much, and I'll be glad to see some of you connecting with me. Thank you everyone. Have a great day and all the best.
Thank you, Swati. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful insight of your whatever activities you're doing. Thank you so much. Rajni ma'am, you are there, ma'am? Rajni ma'am? Rajni?
I'm there, Gayatri.
Yeah, okay. We have one more Miss Sonal, Shilpa Sonal. So before that, everyone, I like request Rajni ma'am to say a few words, and she's the backbone of this FIWE organization, and she's the president of this organization, and she would like to say a few words about this activity.
If Shilpa is left, let Shilpa complete her announcement and her display of the product. Then at the end, I'll speak.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Shilpa ji. Welcome, Shilpa ji. Hi. Yeah, I think you can carry on with your presentation.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Gayatri, for pulling me in. Thank you, Phoebe. Thank you, Rajni ji. I recall meeting you last year. It was such a wonderful opportunity and a very motivating moment for me personally and professionally. Thank you, Nupur, for coordinating, and congratulations to all the team members who are here today to present their product range. It's exciting to see the array and the different varieties of entrepreneurship that are existing presently. To present my initiative, I'd just like to give you a brief introduction on what I do. I run the Sanchal Foundation, which is a non-profit registered under Section 8. And I've been running this since 2009. My journey started with educating underprivileged children, slum children basically, and we are in the area of bridging the gap between the slum children and mainstream schools. But during the journey, what I discovered is just education wasn't enough, and we wanted to venture into skill development. So there are two broad areas that I identified. One is skill development of overaged and not so educated migrant labor children, young adults, and we thought of a project around that, and also skill development and livelihood opportunities for village women. So today I'm going to briefly present two product ranges. One is the reusable sanitary napkins that we have introduced very recently all over Haryana. The reusable sanitary napkins are, of course, a replacement for the disposable. I'll take you through the presentation very shortly. And the other product range is on skill development, wood and resin products, where we are training young men to create product ranges for interiors and for the people who would like to decorate their homes in a more creative way. So I will try and share a video. If the audio is not audible, then I will take you through the presentation. Allow me a moment, please. Is it audible? Is it audible to everybody?
No, we can't hear the audio. No,
okay.
Can't hear the music.
Was it audible now, Gayatri?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was audible. It was.
मैं थोड़ा पहले से जानती थी सिलाई, तो मैंने कहा था मैंने कि थोड़ा बहुत और जान जाऊंगी, सीख जाऊंगी, तो मैं घर पे अपना सही कपड़े सिलना सीखूंगी, थोड़े उससे पैसे भी अपना थोड़े बहुत आएंगे तो अपना खर्चा चलेगा। फिर यहाँ पे आती हूँ 10:30 या 11 बजे आती हूँ, 1 बजे तक रहती हूँ, 2 घंटा का कोर्स है, 6 महीना तक है। फिर इसके बाद डिप्लोमा मिलेगा, आप जो यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं, सरकार तरफ से मशीन मिले तो घर से खरीद कर लो, जो करना होगा आगे करेंगे, अभी सीखे नहीं है पूरी तरीके।
तो इस तरह से अब इतना काम बढ़ गया है लेडीज का कि 2 लेडीज ने अपना बुटीक भी खोल लिया है। तो अपना बुटीक खोल के वो औरों का काम कर रही हैं और औरों के साथ मिलके वो और भी काम सीख रही हैं। फिर हमने सोचा कि सिलाई से ही हम सीमित नहीं रहना चाहते हैं। हमने फिर ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग और क्रोशे और निटिंग भी शुरू की। अब इस तरह के काम सीखने के बाद लेडीज को और काम भी मिल रहा है और पूरे गुड़गांव में जहाँ जहाँ प्लास्टिक रोकना चाहते हैं वहाँ पे हम यहाँ का कपड़ा जो हमारे पास आता है उससे हम बैग बनाते हैं और प्लास्टिक रोकने में भी हमारा इसमें योगदान है।
So that was a brief introduction.
So, nach 3 Wochen in Indien, haben uns relativ gut zurechtgefunden und
Shilpa ji?
Sorry about that. I had to pause the other video. Sorry about that. So that was a brief introduction on our stitching center. What we have recently done is we have introduced reusable sanitary napkins. I'm going to quickly talk to you about that. Sharing the screen right now. So we are talking about a product called Flow, Flow Pads. That is the product. And this is an effort to popularize and bring sustainable menstrual hygiene to rural India. So what we are doing is we have tied up with a young 15-year-old girl who is a 10th grade student at the Sri Ram school. And she came up to me that she would like to start a project and under my guidance. And I have been mentoring student volunteers for almost a decade now. And I thought that a great opportunity for her would be to start a menstrual hygiene and awareness program on reusable sanitary napkins. And there seemed to be a huge gap. At the same time, I wanted to provide livelihood opportunities to village women. So what we are doing right now is we are creating a platform where we are making the reusable sanitary napkins in 100% cotton. It has a layer of waterproof fabric. Amongst the 4 layers, the topmost layer is of waterproof fabric. And the pads are given away in kits of, a kit has about 3 pads in it. And the pads are then distributed amongst rural women. We've started the drive and we've already covered about 8 villages, and the pads are distributed free of cost. So on this screen, you can see that you can see 3 pads. There is also an instruction leaflet on how to use, how to wash. They're very easy to use. And I'd like to share that I am personally using these reusable sanitary pads for the last 5 months. I used to really suffer with rashes, and it was uncomfortable for me to use the disposable ones. And I'm finding these extremely comfortable. Moreover, these sanitary napkins have a life of about 2 years. They're easy to wash, and once rinsed well in normal water, they can be easily dried in the sun. And in our country, at least, we are not running short of sunlight. And that becomes an antibacterial treatment. The sunlight is very effective. And it is, because it is 100% cotton, very easy to maintain. And we wanted to reach out to rural women in India to be able to find an alternative to old cloth or rags that they generally use. A little bit of research also showed that the disposable ones, which have maybe inferior cotton or plastic, can be a reason for a lot of cervical and reproductive related diseases and infections. So we thought that this is it's also environment friendly, and that was another reason I ventured out into this. As you can read on the screen, a single woman can generate up to 125 kilograms of non-biodegradable waste during her menstrual years, which takes about 500 to 800 years to decompose. So what we do is that we conduct awareness workshops to educate girls and women about menstrual hygiene. We have volunteers and young women coming up with us to these awareness camps. We first make the women aware of how they can be more healthy and how they can also contribute to better health amongst their daughters and young women. The mothers and grandmothers are also encouraged to attend these awareness sessions. And second is to provide employment to the women of villages in Haryana who make our pads and sell it to us. We provide them with the fabric, and they complete the process of cutting and then stitching. And once it is completed, we make kits out of them. And then we take them as per the funds available with to the rural parts of Haryana. Right now, we are exploring only Haryana because it is also very difficult for us to travel very far during the pandemic. So once these pads are distributed to young girls and women as a safe and pocket-friendly option, we also try to make them aware of the menstrual waste versus the disposable pads, which are only one-time use. And as you know, the landfills are almost becoming mountainous. They are, so bad for the environment that we need to kind of contribute making the world less burdened with the environment damage. So yeah, we have impacted 1,700 lives, distributed 5,100 pads, but this number is a bit old. We have crossed this number. We have already crossed about 10,000 pads in the last 2 months. This is a fairly recent project. The numbers are not very high. And how can you help? If you can, bring some kind of opportunities for us to reach out to rural women and young girls all over the country, we are willing to collaborate. And if we can tie up for any CSR donations, we would like to make more and more of the sanitary napkins. And also, if you can help us spread the word in any way possible. So that is about the flow pads. I'm now going to speak about the other skill development program that we have for young men, young adults who have probably not been able to pursue their academic interest, and they would like to adopt some kind of skill development program. So we started a skill development program for these young men and boys. We invested in a CNC router machine about a year back, and we started making products out of wood and resin. And we picked up a few young boys from our own school in Gurgaon, where we thought that the boys were struggling to two ends meet. And how could we give them a skill which would give them employability and yet give some kind of a platform for them to grow. So sharing a screen of our product range under the skill development program for young men. Gayatri, are you able to view the product?
We can see your screen.
All right, thank you. So I'm going to quickly run you through the product range. Most of the products displayed here initially are in wood, and they are a combination of planters, gift or Christmas gift ideas, and basically something to decorate the home. And the planters in individual and vertical garden are done at a particular site. So all the that you see are products which have been shared, with clients, and they have placed orders for them. We also started designing screen panels of different kinds. As you can see, there are different designs. We've also started training the boys on 3D carving decorative items, wall hangings, panels, doors, furniture. This is very, very elaborate, and most of the designing is done by a designer we have, who is also training the young boys. The boys have to initially work on polishing and finishing the product. Eventually, if they are able to work on the computer, then we would be able to guide them through that as well. Now we have stone cutting and 3D carving. This is extremely exciting. We have gold leaf inlay tiles, and there are seamless patterns. We have stone and inlay work, which is also done. And this kind of work is actually being done at a very, very elaborate level. And the designer himself is partly employed by us. The machine has been an investment with us. So we are hoping that more and more of our young men will get employed and get trained under this. So yeah, I would like to now show you a picture of the machine. On the top left, you can see the CNC router machine, which is there at Jharsa. You can see some of our boys working on the products. On the right, you can see the planters and different kind. And these are not very expensive. These are made out of pine wood or light wood. We try to make them weatherproof so that they can be kept outside as well. And there seems to be a huge demand for this. They are customized, of course, by clients. But this is something very new, and I'm happy that some of our young adults are able to get some kind of different training, and we are able to move.
हाँ वो तो है मेरा तो उसने करा ही नहीं क्यों पता नहीं मैंने उसको लिखा कि भाई आप मेरे को कॉल करें या मैं आपको कॉल करूं
Those are the two product ranges that I wanted to share with all of you today. Yes, Gayatri.
So, I mean, whatever products the students are making, is it on the shelf or it demand you make it and sell them? Or is it only the students are learning?
Customized. So like I have the product brochure, which I can share with you on the group as well. And then people have different requirements. They have a wall of a particular size. So obviously they want a certain, display of a certain size or certain wood. So it is very, very individual and specific, but that's not such a big challenge, I mean, it's very easy to customize it. So yeah, for the garden products, for the wooden products, it has to be customized.
And how about the sanitary pads, the reusable one? I mean,
Yeah.
Is it on the shelf or again, it's again on a demand we can get it? Suppose if anyone wants to buy them?
Yeah, of course. If anybody wants to buy them, we are selling them at 150 rupees per kit. Each kit has 3 sanitary napkins. Out with a pack of 7, in which there would be 3 pads for the night. That would be for heavy flow, and 4 would be for day flow. So that is an option, and that also can be customized. It's not that we are, but right now, because it's a free distribution drive, as per the funds that we are collecting, the idea is to reach out to as many rural women and young girls as possible. And during the last 2 months, we have seen that there is a lot of gap in the menstrual hygiene awareness sector, as such. Rural women don't really know what it is. And surprisingly and shockingly, the kind of disposable sanitary napkins that is available in rural India is alarmingly of very poor quality. So normally what you get in rural India is a pack of 7 sanitary napkins for 30 rupees.
Oh.
So when we actually investigated that what is the quality of those 7 sanitary napkins which are available for 30 rupees, they're using bleached cotton in that.
Oh,
Cotton, which is extremely harmful if we are keeping it next to our most sensitive areas, and also the plastic that is used is the plastic which we use for garbage bags.
Oh.
So people don't know what quality it is. This is such a better option, not only for the environment, but for personal use as well. And I'm once again sharing that I am using for the last 4 months. Of course, at my first reaction when I got the kit for myself was, if I'm talking about it, I should be using it first. So that is how I started the project. And once I started using it and I saw the comfort level, that it was very friendly to my skin, and I realized how much of environment damage I'm saving and how healthy it was in comparison to the disposable ones. I realized that, this is something which must be talked about and, reached out.
You can leave your contact details in the chat box. So
I
if
will do
anyone wants to know, they can get in touch with you.
Thank you once again. Thank you.
It's a pleasure, and thanks for the time taken. You have taken a decision to come into the session. So we really thank you for that.
Thank you, Gayatri.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, I'm really very, very happy that We've got some very new people, and you people are really doing wonderfully well in your respective
Rajni
sectors.
ji, you are not visible.
I can see myself. Can you see me now?
No.
How's that? मुझे तो दिख रहा है फोटो अपना.
Yes, now you are visible.
Okay. How are you, Jyoti?
I'm perfectly all right, ma'am. What about you? How you are doing now?
Very, very fine, very fine. Shilpa, it was very nice to know your product. And the kind of activities you're doing is really wonderful.
Thank you.
But I was wondering, when you were talking about customized wooden products, it requires a machinery and a workshop. So do you have that?
Yeah, we do. I shared the picture. Yeah.
Okay. So you have a workshop with you where you would, whenever you get order, accordingly you get those items made.
Absolutely.
I see. Okay. Now, I just wanted to request, I think some of you have already left probably, but the remaining one who are hearing me, I would like you to write down your story in about 3 to 4 pages, how this idea came to you, one, and how did you start, what kind of problems you faced and how did you solve them, and after making a solution at one particular stage, where you felt you could not grow? What are those areas that from there you could not grow further, and what were the reasons? You know, my basic purpose of asking you these questions, that we want to work on that women are generally remain small. And we want to know the reasons. The reasons are financials. The reasons are inbuilt fear of not taking a risk, or the reasons are something else. So that is why I want, please, all of you to write 2 to 3 pages and send it to me, and I'm going to compile it and bring it forth online or otherwise in a printed form, a book, where your real stories where you could not grow and how you can grow. You know, we are not only thinking about knowing the problem, but we have to find solution to the problems. Only knowing the problems doesn't end things there. What we need is how to get the solutions to those problems and how to grow in spite of having those problems around us, with every one of us, with each one of us. So this is what I've been thinking for so many months. In fact, I also told Gayatri, let us start asking few women entrepreneurs to write their 3-4 pages, how they started, what kind of problems they faced, and how did they get finance, what kind of marketing they decided about, based on what, and why they could not go further, why they remain where they are today. And do they think that if certain things are in place for them, they can grow? So please, can you write it and send it to us by 30th of November? Hello?
Yes, we can. Yeah.
Okay. Shilpa and Jyoti, and who else is there? Gayatri, anybody else is here?
Yeah, perfectly all right, ma'am.
Yeah, please do that. Gayatri, whatever I have said, you can please share it with the others also, with the Swati Mahajan and other people. Yes, and they should all, at least, you know, the 8-9 people who have come today on the platform, they can all write to us. Sure. And Shilpa, we are very much interested in joining hands with you. You can really come and be a part of us, because we are all over India. So in whatever way we can help, you can be a part of us, and we can help you out in selling your product, in bringing up your activities further, and trying to help you out in whatever way is possible.
Thank you so much, Rajni ji.
Yeah.
We'll be in touch.
And Jyoti, it's very interesting to know that from tech to this particular thing you have come. Is this your personal interest?
Yeah, I was doing since 18 years as an hobby. But during this lockdown time, some of the incidents happened, so I thought to took it professionally.
Oh, I see. Okay. And what's happening to your technology thing?
Yeah, that's on auto mode.
That is already going on.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's very new things, and I really like the Deepak Tantram and all those things. Very interesting to
Thank
know,
you.
in fact. But I just want to ask you that when you talk of Deepak Tantram or any other Tantram that way, so is it similar to what we call it? जो हम जनरली गलत समझते हैं कि गलत है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, गायत्री? You have any idea?
Yeah, tantram.
तांत्रिक.
Yeah. No. It is. Tantra is a procedure. Tantra is a procedure, ma'am. To do a certain thing in a one particular manner on a one particular day in a one particular tradition, that becomes tantram.
So tantric is different and tantram is different.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
It has been wrongly taken by in the meaning of general lay language, but there is nothing as such. It's very pure, very divine. As I said, chawal ka diya belongs to Lakshmi Ma. If somebody is having financial problem, I mean, this diya can be placed in the north direction. North is Kuber. So when Lakshmi Ma itself calls Kuber, so Kuber is not allowed to deny it. So that is the link.
But have you seen any proofs?
So many. See, I'm working, sitting here in Ghaziabad to many cities. Even Mumbai, Bangalore, Bhopal. And all are getting lots of amazing results. Astro Vastu is a thing which works 360 degree of our life. A very, very accurate calculation on planets and directions.
I see. Very good. So, Jyoti, as per you, when this pandemic will go away?
Yes, ma'am.
When
No, actually, this the entire year is of Rahu.
Okay.
Rahu is 4 number. This 2020 comes to 4. Right? तो ये साल तो मैम ऐसे ही रहेगा, पूरा साल ऐसे ही रहेगा.
Next year नहीं, ये साल तो खत्म होने आ गया. Next year
this will start leaving the effect in the March, the month of March. So
I see.
This year totally belongs to the Rahu. I mean, you see all the people are working on Zoom, that is digital. है ना? तो Rahu दिखता नहीं है. Rahu is in the air. So digitalization, the technology is in the air. We are connected to some frequency. The frequency is what? Energy. जो दिख नहीं रहा, जो हो रहा है, जिसके माध्यम से हम सब जुड़े हैं, that is Rahu.
I see. Okay. Very interesting.
Rajni ma'am, we need to have a special session in that case.
Yeah.
Very
You're most
true.
welcome.
Very true. Another thing, we are planning to have a coffee table book for which I think Gayatri will speak to each one of you separately. Yeah?
I have already started doing a few of them to talk to her.
I see. Okay. So Jyoti and Shilpa can be a part of that. You can talk to them.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, friends. All the best. Thank you, Gayatri. You please now say what you want to say.
No, ma'am. I think by this we are going to end the session, and thank you so much for all the participants who have given their precious time for this session. And I think we are doing the first time, and thank you for making it a wonderful session also. And we are planning to have many more coming down the line. probably we'll do one in the month of December before the Christmas is coming up. So I'm looking forward
We
to
should do
many more
that.
many participations to come up, and in a better way also. I'm sorry, I have delayed starting the session a few minutes late with some technical reason. We apologize for that, but we'll slowly learn, and we'll try to do many more new things coming up in the month of December. Looking forward for all your association and support in all aspects. Thank you so much.
Many congratulations, Gayatri, and your entire team for organizing this event for all of us. Thank you very much. Many congratulations once again.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.